everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Homes Decor and Designs. Today, we will share with you collection of best weather-resistant and waterproof outdoor patio furniture design and tips for create your dream outdoor space. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. As the weather warms up, it's time to start thinking about your outdoor space. A well-designed outdoor patio can transform your home, offering a place to relax and entertain. And when it comes to outdoor patios, the right furniture can make all the difference. In this video, we will explore the meaning of outdoor patio furniture and answer some of the most commonly asked questions about patio furniture. We'll also share our top 10 outdoor patio furniture ideas that will help you create a stunning outdoor space. What is outdoor patio furniture? Outdoor patio furniture is furniture designed to be used outside. It's typically made from materials that are weather-resistant, such as metal, wood, or plastic. Outdoor patio furniture comes in a variety of styles, from classic to modern, and can include chairs, tables, loungers, and more. The right outdoor furniture can help you create a beautiful, functional, and comfortable outdoor space. What type of patio furniture is the most weather-resistant? When it comes to weather-resistant patio furniture, there are several options to consider. Metal furniture, such as aluminum, wrought iron, and stainless steel, is extremely durable and can withstand the elements. Teak and cedar are also popular choices for outdoor furniture, as they are naturally resistant to decay and insects. Synthetic materials, such as resin wicker and plastic, are also good options for weather-resistant patio furniture. What is the best outdoor furniture for all weather? The best outdoor furniture for all weather is furniture that is both weather-resistant and comfortable. Look for furniture made from durable materials, such as metal, teak, or resin wicker, that can withstand rain, wind, and sun. It's also important to choose furniture that is comfortable to sit on, such as chairs with cushions or loungers with adjustable backs. What is the best furniture for patio? The best furniture for patio depends on your needs and personal style. Classic patio furniture styles include wrought iron and wooden furniture, while more modern options include resin wicker and metal furniture. When choosing patio furniture, consider the size of your outdoor space, the weather conditions in your area, and your personal style. What type of patio furniture is waterproof? Waterproof patio furniture is furniture that is designed to withstand rain and moisture without getting damaged. Some materials, such as metal and plastic, are naturally waterproof, while others, such as wood, need to be treated with a waterproof sealant. It's also important to choose outdoor furniture that is designed with drainage holes or other features that prevent water from pooling on the surface. Here these the top 10 outdoor patio furniture ideas. 1. Aluminum furniture, sleek, modern, and weather-resistant. Aluminum furniture is a popular choice for outdoor spaces. 2. Resin wicker furniture. Resin wicker furniture is lightweight, easy to clean, and comes in a variety of styles and colors. 3. Teak furniture. Teak furniture is naturally weather-resistant and can last for decades with proper care. 4. Cedar furniture. Cedar furniture is also naturally weather-resistant and has a unique, rustic look. 5. Stainless steel furniture. Sleek and modern, stainless steel furniture is durable and easy to maintain. 6. Adirondack chairs. A classic style that never goes out of fashion, Adirondack chairs are comfortable, stylish, and perfect for relaxing. 7. Outdoor sectionals. Outdoor sectionals are perfect for entertaining and can be arranged in a variety of configurations. 8. Hammocks. A hammock is the ultimate relaxation spot and can be hung between trees or on a stand. 9. Fire pit sets. Fire pit sets are perfect for cool evenings and can create a cozy ambience for outdoor gatherings. 10. Outdoor dining sets. Outdoor dining sets are perfect for entertaining and come in a variety of styles, from classic to modern. Transform your outdoor patio into a beautiful and functional space with these top 10 patio furniture ideas. Whether you're looking for weather-resistant, waterproof, or comfortable outdoor furniture, there's something for every style and budget. With the right furniture, you can create an outdoor space that you'll love to use for years to come. It is enough for the basics. After this, we will provide you gallery of best weather-resistant and waterproof outdoor patio furniture design ideas for your inspiration. Again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Homes Decor Designs. Hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.